Let's talk about Constitution Assembly and Constitution of India. Question number 1. Constitution means a book or a law, set of rules of regulation, the constitutional law of the state. This answer is D. Constitutional law of the state. A constitution lays down number A. Organization of the government, power of the government, the mutual relation among the organs of the government, and D. All the above. Its answer all the above. The Constitution of India was framed by the Constituent Assembly on the basis of the India Independence Act 1947, a resolution of the Provisional Government, the objective resolution by order of British Parliament. Its answer is a resolution of the Provisional Government. Number 4. The members of the Constitutional Assembly were directly elected by the people, nominated by the various political parties, nominated by the rulers of the Indian states, or D. Elected by the provisional legislature. Its answer elected by the provisional legislature. The constitution number 1 or D, number 2 D, number 3 B, number 4 D. The Constitutional Assembly set up under the Cabinet Mission Plan had a strength of 309 members. 309 members. Number 6. The first meeting of the Constituent Assembly of India was held on 9 December 1946. 9 December 1946 the first meeting is like Constituent Assembly. Number 7. On December 11, 1946, the Constituent Assembly elected whom as its permanent chairman: Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and D.K. Munshi. Its answer Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Number 8. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? A. B.R. Ambedkar, C. Raja Gopalachari, C. Rajendra Prasad, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Its answer number A. B.R. Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee. Number 9. The objective resolution which outlined the philosophy of the Indian Constitution was moved in the Constituent Assembly by Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru, or B.R. Ambedkar. Its answer C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee? Number A. B.R. Ambedkar. The Constitution of India was adopted on 26 November 1950 or 26 January 1949 or 26 November 1949, 31 December 1949. Its answer C. 26 November 1949. The Constituent Assembly of India came into force on A. 26 1950 or 26 January 1952, C. 16 August 1948, 26 November 1949. Its answer 26 January 1950. Number 12. The Constituent Assembly of India took all decisions by simple majority, two-third majority, consequence, all the above method. Its answer all the above method. Number 13. Preamble declares that the Constitution of India was adopted on what? Preamble declares that the Constitution of India adopted on 15th August 1947, 26 January 1950, 9 December 1946, 26 November 1949. Its answer 26 November 1949. 26 November 1949. D. Which is not a source of Indian Constitution? which is not a source of the Indian Constitution. A. Government of the Act 1935, laws of the British Parliament, foreign constitution, values and ideals of the national movement. Its answer B. Laws of the British Parliament. Number 15. Which is not a major source of Indian Constitution. Which is not a major source of Indian Constitution. Number A. Conventions, judicial decisions, statutes of parliament, foreign constitution. Its answer A. Convention. Convention is not a major source of Indian Constitution out of the fourth option. The objective resolution. The objective resolution was passed by the Constituent Assembly on, it is very important friends, the objective resolution was passed by the Constituent Assembly on 9 December 1946, 26 January 1947, 22 January 1947 or 26 January 1948. Its answer 22 January 1947. It's important. Who is the author of book? Who is the author of book Commentary on the Constitution of India? Commentary on the Constitution of India book was written by B.N. Rao, K.K. Siva Rao, D.D. Basu or K.N. Kaul. Its answer friends D.D. Basu. फ्रेंड्स आज एतिकी आपण जदि भिडियो निश्चय भल लगे लाइक शेयर कमेंट और केबे भूलिबनी आ लास्ट रिक्वेस्ट सब्सक्राइब करबा आपण केबे भूलिबनी। थैंक यू फ्रेंड, बाय बाय।